What's up everyone? Alex Peck with Lux Grills here. I know you're getting ready to watch the tutorial video to learn how to take the perfect mold. I really need you to pay attention and watch this video 2 or 3 times. You can even start it over again and pause it at each step to make sure that the molds come out perfectly. If you have any questions at all, please shoot us an email at luxgrills@gmail.com, or you can call or text the phone number in the description below. Thank you very much for your business and we look forward to working with you. How's it going everyone? This is Alex Peck with Lux Grills. I'm going to show you how to take the perfect mold of your teeth. So by now you've received your one-of-a-kind Lux Grills mold kit. Included in your mold kit will be 3 mouth trays, 3 sets of molding putty, syringes which will be used at the end of the molding process to give us an accurate representation of your teeth, and also a return envelope for you to put your molds into and send them back to our Grills headquarters. Step 1 is to grab one of the blue putties, one of the white putties, and what you're going to want to do is rapidly mix them together like this and try to turn it into one solid color. And you're going to want to do it quickly for about 10 to 15 seconds because the putty will get hard. And you're going to roll it into a little Tootsie Roll like this. Put it onto the mouth tray and then bite down. There we are. First mold done. So pretty much what you want to do is make sure that after you bite down into the putty, you want to leave it on your teeth for 4 minutes. Don't talk, don't laugh. Try not to move around too much. That way we get a pretty accurate representation of your teeth. What you want to look for when you are taking a mold of your teeth is you want to make sure that after you take the mold that you bite down deep enough so the putty is going above the top of the teeth and above the gum line on every tooth that we're going to be making a grill for. But you also want to make sure that you're not biting down too deep to the point where your teeth are hitting the plastic in the mouth tray underneath the putty. After you take the first mold, if you could take a photo of it and send it to the phone number that's in your email from Lux Grills, or it's in the description of this video, that way I can give you a couple pointers for the second and the third mold that you're going to be taking in the future. By now, you finished up taking 3 molds of your teeth and you've finished using all of the impression material. So what you want to do now is you want to pick and choose of the 3 molds which are the 2 best that you want to work with moving forward. In my situation, these 2 are the best ones that ended up coming out of my teeth. These 2 we're actually going to be making use of, and we're going to apply some of the material that's in the syringes that we send to you. Now I want to show you how to use the syringes that come in your mold kit box. What you're going to want to do is take one of the syringes, twist the clear cap on clockwise so it clicks and it tightens. Then after that, you're going to take it and push from the behind and fill up the entirety of the teeth that we're going to be working on. So for this example, we're going to be working on a pair of top fangs. So you're going to fill up one fang, fill up the second fang, and you want to make sure that you use an abundant amount of the stuff that's in the syringes to give you the best possible impression. Be quick with it and put it back on your teeth because it will harden very fast. So on this particular grill, we are going to be making a pair of top fangs. So what we did was we filled the 2 canines up with a good amount of the orange substance in the syringe, and then you want to bite down to it pretty quickly after filling it up, so that way it gets a nice, accurate representation of your teeth. On this particular mold, we're going to be making a top 8 grills, and each syringe has enough solution in it for 4 teeth. So for a top 8, you're going to want to use 2 syringes to fill up every single tooth cavity that we're going to be working on. Awesome. All right, so here's the mold that we did for the top 8 grills. As you can see, we got a really nice impression of every single tooth that we want to be making grills for. You can see the gum lines, nice deep impression, so this is perfect. Now that you've finished taking all 3 of your molds, what you're going to want to do is take each one of them, put it into our return mailer envelope, boom, 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 drop them in here. Make sure you have your return address in the top left corner, seal it up, take it to your local post office, and ship it back to the Lux Grills headquarters, and we'll start working on your project.